Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look around our Paris home, which has 4 bedrooms across 3 floors and is the perfect option for if you're looking to upsize. So let's take a look around. As we enter the home, we have a large hallway which leads to your downstairs bathroom, a convenient addition especially for when you have visitors. So following me through to the living space, where we have lots of natural light thanks to the 3 windows that surround the room. Here is a great space to relax of an evening and socialise with your guests. So across the hallway we have the kitchen, which is fitted out with all your appliances and finished with a white marble surface. However, if these aren't to your taste, you can swap them out for any of our options and upgrades that are available. And over here we have a convenient laundry area where you can keep all your appliances like your washing machines tucked away. Not to forget, the kitchen also has bifold doors which lead out to the garden, making it great for when you're hosting friends and family, especially during the summer months. Now let's head upstairs to take a look at the first floor. First off, we have the main bedroom, which is very spacious and boasts plenty of natural light thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows. There's lots of areas to add your own style, including room for additional storage and even a dressing table. And then over here you have your very own ensuite, which is great for having that extra little bit of privacy away from the rest of the home. The main bathroom has plenty of room, making it perfect for families. And in here we also have a bath, making it the ideal place to switch off and relax. If you follow me further down the landing, we have a great study space. This is the perfect place for those that need to work from home and need a quiet area to focus. Next door to the study, we have our second bedroom, which could also be used as a guest bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious and very light thanks to the large window. Let's head up to our second and final floor, which takes us nicely to the third bedroom. This room is perfect for families with older kids, as they can really make it their own. We have a very spacious room with large windows and plenty of space for additional storage, including behind here. So just outside the third bedroom, we have this large bathroom, which is very bright thanks to this skylight. There's plenty of room in here and it's also fitted with a second bath. And finally, onto our fourth and final bedroom. And as you can see, it doesn't have to be just for that purpose. Instead, you can completely make it your own. From a games room to a home gym or even a larger study, the options are endless and is a real benefit of our 3-storey homes. So thanks for watching this house tour of our 4-bedroom Paris home. If you need any more information, then just click the link in the description below.